In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on virtual machine or VirtualBox Manager. So first thing is that you will need to download Windows 11 ISO file. If you haven't watched how you can download this, you can click on card on the right side so that you guys can download ISO file for free, and then come back to this video. Then open up the virtual machine and then click on new, and you need to assign the name as Windows 11, or you can name anything as you guys want it to. Now select the ISO file, click on this drop down arrow and click on other and choose the correct ISO file. Now you need to set up the unattended guest OS installation here, so you can set the password as 1234, just normally you used to do that. And now it's gonna ask you for product key here, so you can give random product key, whatever you guys wanted to. So let's say you wanted to give anything, so you can give like any, you can spam any number you wanted to here. And on name you need to remove those space line, and it should show you the tick mark. Then if you wanted to install guest edition, you can click on this button here. So what this will do is it will allow you guys to go full screen mode on your VirtualBox, and also you are able to like drag and drop between your host machine and your VirtualBox. Make sure to check this one as well. Now go ahead and specify the virtual hardware. So I will recommend using like 3 to 4 CPU. It depends upon how many CPU that you guys have, so just don't blow like 16, because you still need this for host computer as well. And for base memory you can give this like 8 GB, which is 8000 MB, and then specify, you should leave this as a default and then finish, and it should start the virtual machine. So press any key to boot from DVD series, as you can hit any keys. Control F to come back, or Control F to full screen. So right now we are in full screen. I don't think we need a full screen here, so I'm just going to get out from full screen. Now it's asking you to input the product key, but I don't have product key here, so I'm just going to say I don't have product key. Now this is searching for disk. Now it's installing Windows 11. As you guys can see, it's saying that your PC will restart several times. You guys can see that we have installed Windows 11 on VirtualBox. Now it's not on full screen right now because we haven't installed guest edition here. So you can open up the file explorer, because we have attached a guest edition CD when we were setting up the Windows 11 on VirtualBox. So this is the CD drive that you guys wanted to double click, and then you wanted to click on VirtualBox edition. So from here you will need to double click on VirtualBox Windows edition and click on yes. Now it will pop up the wizard for you, so click on next and completely install this. Well, once you guys have installed this, you need to restart your computer right now, but I wanted to show you that this is not working on full screen. So go to your view mode and switch this to full screen. So you can see that still not, it is on full screen. So once you guys restart your computer, it will restart and it will go to full screen. The VirtualBox is now restarting. Now you can hit on Control F to go full screen, or you can still click on view full screen host and switch, and there you go, you are now in Windows 11 full screen mode on VirtualBox. Well, it's that simple, guys. So if you guys wanted to remove this bar, you can watch this video. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out on setting up the Windows 11 on VirtualBox. And if this video helps you out, make sure to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next one. Peace.